Hi, I'm Wayne, and I started smoking when I was preteen up until my mid-40s. I tried quitting many times, and I was unsuccessful because the nicotine addiction was so gripping, and there's no way that I could quit on my own. I felt my life was deteriorating, and I could feel that I was feeling tired all the time, coughing, and I needed a new change, a new way of life. And I really didn't know what to do after smoking for years, but knowing that I needed a different way of life, I seen that there was vaping that was introduced into the market, and I thought, well, hey, that might be a way for me to quit smoking for good. And at first I thought, what else do I have to lose? Smoking definitely wasn't working for me. And I thought vaping, might be the kick that I need to get me to change from smoking to vaping. And I knew that with vaping, I would get the oral fixation that I needed, versus a traditional cigarette. And that would keep me, from worried about my next cigarette break, or having to go out in the cold or the rain, which I knew that I would have to do with my regular cigarette fixation that I just had to have every couple of hours. When I first quit, I thought for sure that I was going to have a tobacco flavored juice to help me get over the hump and to keep me from going back to the cigarette smoking. But after talking to the staff and other patients in the vape store, I was able to try other juice flavors, which I think was the key to helping quit smoking for good. I did try the tobacco flavored juices, but that just didn't seem to work for me. And after the help of the Premier Vapor staff, I was able to try the different varieties of juices, and light seemed to go off in my head thinking, man, this really might be the way that I'm actually going to quit smoking cigarettes for good. At first, I was really apprehensive on stopping, smoking cigarettes. But with the help of Premier Vapor, I've been smoke-free for at least the last 6 years and really enjoying life. So many of my family and friends have tried to quit smoking, and they said they tried vaping, but it didn't work for them. And I was really surprised because there is a lot of help out there that would help them stop smoking. When I asked them why vaping didn't work for them, they said, I tried vaping, and I asked them where they purchased their products, and they said, well, I got my Juul from, a gas station or convenience store, and I knew right there and then, that's a good reason why they weren't able to quit smoking. I think Premier Vapor was the key for me to quit smoking cigarettes because they were there to help me choose the correct nicotine level for the stage of non-smoking for me. Just like any addiction, you need real help, and that's what Premier Vapor was for me. If you have an addiction and all you have is a book and no manual, there is no way that you're going to